In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the network fee in Trust Wallet. Let's dive right in and break down these steps, making the process as simple as possible. First, begin by opening your Trust Wallet app. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll notice a range of features on display. These include options like sending, swapping, funding, and selling. Additionally, you'll see your tokens listed here. To start the process, you need to click on Send. This is where you begin your transaction journey. After clicking Send, you'll be prompted to select the specific coin you intend to use for your transaction. Once you've made your selection, click Send again to proceed. You'll then be able to paste the recipient's address. So go ahead and paste that address into the designated field. Following this, it's time to enter the amount you wish to transfer. After typing in the desired amount, click on Preview. It's worth mentioning that you need to have sufficient funds in your account to proceed. If you find that you can't move forward, it might be because your balance is insufficient. So always ensure that your account is adequately funded before initiating a transaction. Now, if you'd like to change your network fee, here's what you should do. Once you're on the preview page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You will spot a settings icon there. Click on it and you'll be able to view the current network fee associated with your transaction. The fee amount determines how quickly your transaction will be processed. Generally, the higher the fee, the faster the transaction will be completed. Feel free to adjust this to suit your needs. You can lower the fee if you wish, but keep in mind this might result in slower transaction times. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on Save. Finally, having completed all these steps to your satisfaction, the last thing you'll need to do is click Confirm. At this point, your transaction will begin processing. It's as straightforward as that. By following this process, you have not only tailored your transaction to meet your specific needs, but also utilized the flexibility offered by Trust Wallet to optimize your financial activities efficiently. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are now more confident in managing your transactions. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources or reach out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.